In this video, I'll share with you 5 dividend stocks that I invested $1,000 in for the month of April 2024. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. Starting March 2024, I'm investing $1,000 each month to build my dividend stock portfolio. So this makes it my second month of investing $1,000, and you can check out my previous video on my channel. I moved $1,000 into my brokerage account by end of March to be able to make my investments for early in April. So without any further ado, these are the 5 dividend stocks that I decided to invest for April 2024. Stock number 1, CocaCola. CocaCola is a multinational beverage corporation known for its iconic soft drink Coca-Cola. Beyond its flagship brand, the company owns a diverse portfolio of other beverages, including Sprite, Fanta, and others. I bought 3 shares of the Coca-Cola stock at $60.80 per share, with a total investment of $182.40. Coca-Cola has a dividend yield of 3.2%, which means that they'll pay me $3.20 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. There are a couple of different reasons why I decided to invest in Coca-Cola. My first reason is that I've always heard about Warren Buffett's admiration for the company and how he's a huge investor making a lot of money from their dividends. My second reason is that I personally like their products, including Coca-Cola itself, and a few other products from their vast portfolio. My third reason is that Coca-Cola has been increasing their revenues in the past 4 years, which is a good sign for me about the company's growth. And lastly, I invested in the shares of PepsiCo last month, so it kind of made sense to also invest in their biggest competitor, Coca-Cola, as a sort of hedge. Stock number 2, Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a multinational corporation known for its wide range of consumer health products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Their portfolio includes iconic brands such as Band-Aid, Neutrogena, Listerine, Tylenol, and Johnson's baby products. I bought 1 share of the Johnson & Johnson stock at $157.75. Johnson & Johnson has a dividend yield of 3%, which means that they'll pay me $3 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Johnson & Johnson is one of the safest companies to invest in, and I even featured the company in my previous video of 10 stocks that I'll own for life. Johnson & Johnson operates in multiple different industries, has a diverse portfolio of different brands, has a strong global presence, and has seen revenue increases in the last couple of years. It's a good idea for us to invest in these types of safe companies, especially when trying to build a dividend stock portfolio. Stock number 3, ADP. ADP, or Automatic Data Processing, is a leading provider of HR management software and services. Their offerings include payroll processing, benefits administration, talent management, and human capital management solutions. I bought 1 share of the ADP stock for $245.06. ADP has a dividend yield of 2.2%, which means that the company will pay me $2.20 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. So my reason for investing in ADP is a bit more personal. Last Friday, I received a paycheck from my job, and I noticed that the paychecks are processed by the company called ADP. I then remembered that all of my previous jobs, which were also at large companies, have been using ADP to process payments. So ADP as a company must be doing very well to be able to have all these different large clients. When I was doing my research on ADP, I realized that they have a strong market share compared to its competitors, and their revenues have been increasing each year for the past 10 years, surpassing $18 billion in 2023. So I decided to add ADP into my dividend stock portfolio, even though I myself may not be their direct customer. Stock number 4, Tyson Foods. Tyson Foods is one of the world's largest food companies specializing in the production and distribution of meat products. Tyson Foods has a diverse portfolio consisting of many different brands. I bought 4 shares of the Tyson Foods stock for $57.98, with a total investment of $231.92. Tyson Foods has a dividend yield of 3.4%, which means that they'll pay me $3.40 for every $100 I have invested in their stock. When I was looking at all the dividend stocks in my dividend stock portfolio, I realized that I don't have much investing exposure in the food companies yet. Whenever investing in dividend stocks, We need to make sure to choose safe companies whose demand will not change during economic uncertainties. Food products, as an example, remain relatively stable even during economic downturns because everyone still needs to eat. Tyson Foods is one of the biggest and most well-known brands in the food industry with a diverse portfolio of brands. Since the company pays 3.4% in annual dividends, it became a no-brainer for me to add Tyson Foods into my dividend stock portfolio. And stock number 5, 3M Corporation. Officially known as Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing Company, 3M is a multinational conglomerate manufacturing a broad range of consumer and industrial goods. Some of its well-known brands include Scotch, Post-it, and others that combined consist of more than 60,000 different products. I bought 2 shares of their stock at $93.33 with a total investment of $186.66. The company has a massive dividend yield of 6.5%, which means that they'll pay me $6.50 each year for every $100 I have invested in their stock. Similar to food products, many of the 3M's offerings are essential items that remain in demand even during economic downturns. For example, Scotch tape and Post-it notes will remain as essential office supplies even during uncertain economic conditions. Also, the company in general is recognized for their innovation, high quality, and reliability. With a diverse range of more than 60,000 products while also having a dividend yield of 6.5%, I believe 3M is a strong addition to my dividend stock portfolio. So to conclude, in the month of April 2024, I invested a total of $1,003.79 across 5 companies that paid dividends. I had a few dollars remaining in my March balance, which is why I was able to invest slightly more than $1,000 in April. If you're interested, I'm also investing $1,000 each month separately to build a portfolio of value stocks. I'll be posting my April 2024 value stock picks as my next video on my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.